It's Mandy from Mindset for Success with today's Mindset Matters. Now, I work with a lot of people who are stuck. They're having a situation where they can't seem to get out of. Perhaps you can relate to this. Maybe they've got a really difficult relationship problem. They've got challenges at work. They've got some health problems, or maybe they're just put on some weight and it's just too hard to get going. So what happens when we're stuck and we're getting in our own way? Our thinking is all about how hard it is, how difficult it is to get moving, and how stuck we feel. Yet when we think such thoughts, we're actually attracting more into our life. So we're going to be building up more thoughts of how difficult and how hard it is. And our brain creates chemicals that match what we're saying. So ultimately, they're going to seep into our emotions. We're going to feel even worse. And part of the problem is, as we're driven by how we feel, it becomes even harder to get moving. So there's always an equal opposite. So the key is to hold on to that corner of possibility, whether it's hope, potential, just like a glimmer of light in that darkness. And we know that the best way to clear through this is to take action, yet it's the hardest thing to do. So the strategy I have for you today is to change what you're saying. Start to tell yourself, I'm the sort of person who finds ways through my challenges. I'm the sort of person who is going to take action despite this dreadful situation that I'm in. I'm the sort of person who's going to do whatever it is that you need to do. When you feed yourself in these better words, you're going to open up more possibility. It's like shining a light on that little glimmer of potential that's there. You'll start to feel a little bit more inspired, and the next step is to find one small action step to do. It doesn't have to be vast. If you're really stuck with shedding weight, then simply go outside and move your body. Even if it's a 5-minute walk, if it's getting up and down from your chair 4 times, do something. Small steps are the key. If you're having relationship challenges, then perhaps it's having one small conversation with somebody. Maybe it's picking up the phone, or maybe it's spending some time writing down how you feel to clear it out of your mind so you can free up more energy of potential and possibility. So when you take that small step, and you're going to have to put a bit of effort and do it despite how you feel, you're going to feel a little bit better. You'll build the belief that you can get out of that hole. And when you feel better, your energy increases. If you celebrate that small step that you've done, high five yourself, acknowledge it as if it's an awesome success, your brain will send you a shot of serotonin, which will allow you to feel better. And that's the key. Now that you can raise some light from that darkness, lift your energy from that really heavy stuckness, you will be able to keep going. And that's the key. It's taking that intentional energy, making a huge effort to get going. So change what you say to yourself. Tell yourself you're the sort of person who can overcome this. Find a small step to take. Doesn't matter how small it is. It's just the act of taking action, and then celebrate. That will open up the potential and possibility. It will raise your energy levels. Your thoughts will be better, which will help fuel better feelings. And that is the key. If you keep doing that and keep going, you can and you will move out of your stuck state. So that's your Mindset Matters today. Thank you. It's Mandy from Mindset for Success. And if you have some strategies that work when you get stuck, I'd love to hear them from you. Thank you.